This is BellaBot, a smart delivery robot with a few tricks up his sleeve. BellaBot is on hand to guide you to your seat.
BellaBot's pretty cute, but can I interact with it?
Of course you can. Just stroke it on the head and feel the love. BellaBot's cute appearance and innovative bionic design is sure to turn heads.
Okay, but how do I use it?
Just utter a voice command to send BellaBot wherever you want it to go.
But won't it mess up the customer's orders?
Of course not. BellaBot navigates directly to the right customer. Accurate delivery. BellaBot also features intelligent induction trace, so it can tell when the delivery has been completed.
Does it have any other distribution modes?
Oh yes, in cruise mode. BellaBot will stop in front of you whenever you need it.
How safe is BellaBot?
BellaBot is totally safe, equipped with the latest 3D sensor technology. BellaBot stops when it detects an obstacle, so it can always keep a safe distance from you. And BellaBot's independent stabilizer suspension system means that it stays steady, even when it needs to make sudden halts.
Are there any ways to make BellaBot more efficient?
Take a look. You can use several BellaBots in one area to distribute orders more efficiently. Each BellaBot automatically returns after its delivery, avoiding other BellaBots as it goes.
So BellaBot can only be used in restaurants?
No, because BellaBot makes deliveries without any direct contact. BellaBot is suitable for all kinds of settings and distribution needs, whatever you need and wherever you are. BellaBot will exceed your expectations. BellaBot, the smart delivery robot, full of novelty, with a few tricks up his sleeve.